Ladies and gentlemen, our first performance is the captivating Hanuma Vannama, one of the 18 classical Vannam in Sri Lankan Kandyan dancing, celebrating the agility, strength, and playful spirit of the monkey. Accompanied by the powerful rhythms of the Gataberia drums, this performance showcases both the skill of the dancers and the rich storytelling tradition of Kandyan dance. Today, this item will be performed by the youth dancers of the YYC Kandyan dance class, Sanuki, Sayumi, Anuki, Imandi, Siansa, Alia, and Nagara. Please sit back and enjoy the lively and entertaining Hanuma Vannama.
Tanam dena ta bena tanam dena tanam dena tanena te tanam dena ta bena tanam dena tanam dena tanena girin girata penalagum soya pubu Dimin aruna kalama mora Dimin nevata vata pitin balatineka Usulu visulu puduma Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena Tanam dena tanena Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanena Einavata palaturin turata pena malin palada dalumat demin ragena kata konin buditi vata pitin biyati beluma Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanena te tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanena Dutin ayek sata patin penum rally Potin nera heuma bhaya Dutin evita atu patin vasamuwa Itin netei penuma Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena Tanam dena tanena te Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena Tanam dena tanena Matin udangu sita gatin veduwa pera Petum vilasa daruma Nena yakin melesa isimatin deduwa pera Mevan varuna hanuma Tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena tanam dena